I am husband, I am wife, I am father, I am mother, I am son, I am grandson, I am the all these things. We are so convinced of this that we are unable to see beyond. And the truth is beyond. See? So, etavadeva avidyatvam nedam brahmeti nishchayaha. And therefore, when we are told again and again, satta samanya, the common substratum, where there is no speciality, there is no extraordinary thing, everything extra is dropped. See? So, why this has happened? This has happened only because of abhyas, because of the practice. Abhyasena vina Rama nodeti Brahma bhavana. Hey Rama, without the abhyas, without the practice, Brahma bhavana na udeti. We have to practice this. We have been practicing this, that I am body, I am happy, I am unhappy, I am a man, I am woman, I am Indian, I am not Chinese. See how much abhyasena vina Rama nodeti Brahma bhavana. If these wrong notions are as a result of practice, the right understanding also can happen with the contrary practice. So, abhyasena vina Rama nodeti Brahma bhavana brahmachit brahma bhuvanam brahma bhuta parampara brahmaham brahma mat shatruhu brahma manmitra bandhavaha sarvameva hi brahmeti bhavite ati sukhi kila. See? So what is the Brahma Bhavana we have to do? Brahmachit, Brahma Bhuvanam. The Brahman is the pure consciousness that we are. Brahma Bhuvanam, this whole world is the Brahman. Brahma Bhuta Parampara, all the beings and things are nothing but Brahman. Brahmaham Brahma Mat Shatru. I am Brahman, my enemy is also Brahman. Brahma Man Mitra Bandhavaha. All my friends, everybody, all my brothers and sisters, they are Brahman. Sarvameva hi Brahmeti bhavite. In this manner, when we start practicing this again and again, Ati Sukhi Kila, one attains absolute peace or absolute bliss. What does it mean? How do we practice this? By a very simple rule. And this simple rule doesn't click somehow because it's too simple. See? We always think and talk about something which is other than the self. Like the eyes can see everything which is other than the eyes. But when the eyes are focused on themselves, the eyes disappear. See? We reach the mind. We are no more in the eyes. Then the eyes are like the mirror. Things are reflected, but there is no reaction. We have reached the Satta Samanya. We have reached the substratum of the eyes, the mind. And the eyes cannot see the mind. Therefore, what is the meaning of this practice of seeing everything as Brahman? See? So, let us not look at the world in a classified manner. Somebody is good, somebody is bad, somebody is wanted, somebody unwanted. No. We have to stand apart and remain undisturbed by anything. Then slowly we come to know. Thoughts arise to somebody, and that somebody is not the real one. See? Thoughts arise there and they again dissolve. Again and again we have to remind ourselves. And then the thoughts come to somebody. And then the whole samsara is born. So, Brahmachit Brahma Bhuvanam Brahma Bhuta Parampara, all this it means that let there be thought-free experience. The experience which is gathered through the medium of thoughts is a relative experience where the triputi of knower-known knowledge is valid. But when it comes to the experience where the operation of thoughts is not initiated, that just being is the Brahma Bhavana. Abhyasena vina Rama nodeti Brahma bhavana. Therefore we told you, just take the mala and slowly keep on chanting. Sri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. 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 We keep on chanting. Slowly, slowly, all the unrelated thoughts to this chanting are slowly dissolved. And then the mind is entertaining the other worldly thoughts minimum. And slowly, slowly, this one thought of the mantra overpowers and all other thoughts disappear. See? And in this manner, when we are practicing this, then sarvam eva hi brahmeti bhavite ati sukhi kila. And when this is practiced, because there are no objective thoughts, there are no thoughts pertaining to the things, to the relations, to the achievement, to the failure, to the past, to the future, when all these areas of thoughts are totally aborted, the net result is you are at peace. That is aham brahmeti bhavite. This is the bhavana, aham brahmasmi. Therefore, this point is very important. Atma Chintan means absence of Anatma Chintan. Thinking of the self means not thinking about the not self. See, seeing your own eyes means not seeing the colors and forms. Seeing your own mind, that means you are not focusing attention on the contents of the mind. What we do, we are looking at the contents of the mind. Don't look at the contents. Contents of the vision are colors and forms. Don't look at the content, look at the container. See? Similarly, the mind contents are joy, sorrows, etc. Don't look at him, look at the mind. Manasam tu kim margane krute, naiva manasam marga arjava. How simple Bhagavan is telling us. The problem that we all face is that we have the disease of doing something. And therefore we want to do this, do that. The real spiritual practice is a process of undoing. Result is unbecoming. You don't become anybody. You are that. We have already become man, woman, husband, wife. See. Therefore, abhyasena vina rama nodeti brahma bhavana. Brahmachit brahma bhuvanam brahma bhuta paramparam brahmaham brahma machatruh brahma manmitra bandavaha sarvameva hi brahmeti bhaviteti sukhi kila. In this manner, he who is thus constantly not thinking about others. See, in simple words, all what is said here, that what is Brahma Bhavana? Brahmachit, Brahma Bhuvanam, Brahma Bhuta Parampara, Brahma Aham Brahma, Brahma Mat Shatru, Brahma Mad Mitra, Mad Brahma Bandavaha, Sarvameva hi Brahma. See, 8-9 times it is said. The whole thing can be said by simple one word. See? And that is, you don't have to think about anything. But you are not sleeping, because sleep is also a thought. This thought-free experience, what is called Kaivalya. Thought-free experience without going to sleep is Brahma Bhavana. And this we have to practice again and again. Start with small doses, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4-5 times a day, and slowly we will get into that mode.